So now I'm going to give you some tips to really help you improve your surfing. Pick the right surfboard to surf in the right condition. So when I was a beginner, I surfed the showboard, and then for me, all I want to do is doing the carving, big turning, and I was like, oh my god, everyone looks so good, I just want to do that. So when I was a beginner, I surfed like a 6-foot showboard, and then every day I was struggling to catch a wave. I couldn't catch a wave. Then one day, I went to the tip shop at the Burley, and then I see that beautiful longboard lying there for 25 bucks. Then next day I went surfing at the Currumbin Alley, and then I just never stopped catching waves. Oh my god, the longboard is the one for me. I surfed that longboard for about 3 months, then I sell for 300 bucks later.
Wait, how much did you buy it for?
25 bucks.
And you sold it for
300 bucks. I'm going to tell you why I don't shuffle. Shuffling is with your feet, you go and stop, go and stop. Yeah, when you're a beginner, sometimes you'll be scared, so you will go like this. This is no good because your boat need a momentum when you're walking, so you need to cross-stepping to find that momentum and then coming back. So we want to just smooth cross-stepping so you can find that flow on the wave. I'm going to teach you what to do with your arm. About 2 years ago, the longboard judge, he see my video. My arm is like this. When I'm surfing, it's like a little dolly. I feel out of control. You need to find that momentum to control your arm. When I'm walking, pick my arm down, notice like this all the time. So when you was a beginner, you want to put your arm out a little bit like this when you're walking, so you can find that balance on the wave. When you get more advanced, you can put your arm down, more controlling, more advanced surfing. But at the beginning, we try to find that balance, so we can put your arm like this and then look good as well. Bonus tip. So when we're surfing, we need to look up in front of wave where you surf. Don't look up, don't look down on your foot. You don't surf like this.